So one thing that really impressed me with Steve and in the way that he operates, and not just with the particular surgeon he works for, and really with anyone who contacts him, is that Steve is not one to rush someone into surgery right away. And that's a really important thing to consider, because depending on how much hair loss you may have, especially if it's in your crown, sometimes taking a preventative treatment like finasteride can help you regrow some of that hair before you should consider doing a transplant. Steve, can you tell me a little bit about some general recommendations that you have for some of the patients that you see here?
Sure. Well, Lance, I will give myself a little bit of a pat on the back, the fact that I do have this 37 years experience and I pretty much have seen it all. I mean, lucky me, lost my hair at 18. I've been looking at men's heads my whole life. So, whether it's in a New York City Starbucks line or a Chipotle line or wherever I'm in a football game and I'm looking and seeing who's got bald spots or receding hairlines, it's not too hard to see, and after just a few discovery questions and finding out on, where people are, how long they've been losing their hair, what their family history is. I mean, you're putting together the cheat sheet checklist to figure out kind of where they are. There's a couple types of loss that are red flags to me, and that I've kind of now, at this point in my life, and my passion for helping people, have decided I'm going to take my time. Young guys, like I was when I was 19, if they have certain types of patterns that it could lead to some significant hair loss by the time they're 25, I'm just going to calm these guys down. Try to get them on some sort of preventative treatment. Now you got to understand, Lance, I don't want your audience to think that I'm pushing Propecia or I'm pushing laser or I'm pushing, but there's, unfortunately in my lifetime, there has not been a whole lot done, in my opinion, to slow or stop hair loss. There's only a couple proven things. I mean, there's always something on the internet now, where in the old days it was late night infomercials, or even in the old days it was the back of little magazines and in the clippings, where you'd send away for some water that they pulled out of Helsinki, Finland, and claim to grow hair on your head. I mean, seriously, there's different names for it now. It's the same thing, okay? And it's always about a money-back guarantee, and rub this on your head, you're going to grow your hair back. There's a certain amount of people that will gravitate toward that because, it's non-invasive. It's not surgery. They really want to believe in their hearts that nothing's going on and they can just grow their hair back. When in reality, for the male body at least, for the most part, it's that DHT that's attacking that hair follicle. For females, they're much more complex, and we need to take a better, stronger, harder look at them and figure out with blood work and all that kind of stuff. But that's the point. Is I think what you saw in what I do with the patients that I deal with is we want to really look at this objectively. We want to try as best we can to take the emotion out of it. I'm probably one of the most emotional guys you'll ever meet out there, Lance, as you know, but as time goes on, you tend to take a step back, and you really want to make sure that you're putting the patient in a position that he's not going to regret years down the road. I'll give you an example. There's certain types I have a lot of Asian Indian patients, And you want to talk about losing your hair. I mean, you'll see a family photo with 10 brothers. And 9 brothers got hair like Ronald Reagan times 2, right down here, like a 2-finger hairline. Amazing heads of hair. And then the one guy standing over there is a class 5 bald guy. Looks like everybody's uncle, and he's the youngest guy in the family of 10 brothers. Your heart goes out to the guy. Not only does he want his hair back, he wants to look like the rest of the brothers. Who wouldn't? So the guy comes in and says, I want my hairline right there. I mean, I'm exaggerating. But a lot of times, based on the race or the culture, they want to look like their family.
Yeah.
And they have just normally they have a little lower hairline. The wrong thing to do on a 19-year-old or 20-year-old or 25-year-old or 28-year-old is to, go ahead, let's put that low hairline on there when, there's not enough hair to cover the whole scalp. I mean, that's an easy answer for what's the right thing to do for a patient. I mean, all these doctors we're talking about that I have kind of partnered with and I've had in my network would never do that to a patient. But I've seen some crazy stuff out there still to this day. So, we want to make sure that we're continuing to build this network of credibility and education. There's plenty of business to go around. Unfortunately, there's plenty of bald people out there. There's plenty of bald men, bald women, thinning men, thinning women that are losing their hair. So this industry is robust, unfortunately, for those that have hair loss issues. What we need to do as an industry is to provide better information, real good information. And the better doctors out there all will do that.